This coconut and lime tofu is perfect for a weeknight meal. It's spicy, it's sour, there's a bit of sweetness, and you can serve it over noodles or rice. We're going to start with these dried chilies. We're going to break them open and take out as many of the seeds as we can. To a heat-resistant bowl, add in the dried chilies and dried shiitake mushrooms. Dried mushrooms add flavour, but if you don't have them, leave them out. Pour over boiling water and soak for a few minutes. For the chili paste, pop the chilies and mushrooms into a food processor, along with shallots, garlic and ginger, then blitz. The star of the show, tofu. Drain out all the liquid and cut into even pieces. You can make these as big or as small as you like. Then just add in some oil, salt and corn flour. Really gently mix that all together and then just pop it into the air fryer. Cook the chili paste for a couple of minutes. This will start to smell quite fragrant. It doesn't take long. Then add in a tin of coconut milk, some light soy sauce, some palm sugar or brown sugar and some lime zest. Simmer the sauce for around a minute and then add all the tofu in. Finish with a squeeze of lime, some finely sliced red chilies and some Thai basil. And honestly, that's it. This always makes for a great lunch or dinner.